You want to know what's the interesting part with pants? Is that if you get them right, you follow the 6 rules that I'm going to show you in this video, you don't need a lot of them. You get 2, 3, maybe 4 good pants in your collection. That is all you need to build outfits for the rest of the year. Pants are your base. You make them look right, the rest of your fit, it's gonna look glorious. Let's hop into this. Number 1, go for a regular cut at the bottom. Look boys, from 2010 to 2019, all we did for that decade was tighten more and more and more and more the ankle of our pants to the point that it's just ridiculous at this point. I'm gonna be honest with you, skinny jeans or tight pants have been 6 feet under with a complete burial and ceremony for the past year and a half. And trust me, listen, your older brother was in denial about this too, but then I saw the light. I bought my first pair of regular cut jeans and I've never gone back. My balls and myself, we've been a hell of a lot happier, not to mention that the jeans are actually more in style than those skinny cut jeans. Number 2, kill thick banded joggers 2021. I'm starting a complete campaign for this. Yo, these are even more dead than the jeans previously. See, just like our jeans, for whatever reason, our joggers were getting tighter and tighter and tighter from the ankle that we added these thick, ugly bands to the bottom that, makes the pants look ridiculous and unnatural. The move, it's something more classic that sits natural through the leg, that has breathing room, and has a natural scrunch at the bottom. Those ripples that the scrunch creates, they're natural. That's how fabric should actually be moving. And it's a silhouette that's classic. It's been in since the 80s, so you know it's something that's gonna look good for another 20 years. Boys, I'm just out here trying to make sure that your gray sweats look on point this season, because, gray sweatpants season is coming back. Fall is around the corner. We're like a month or 2 away, and I want to make sure you got the right pair. And you already know, August 28th, our essentials drop will be the craziest we've ever done. See, not only is it right in time for back to school, and now school is coming back, but we're dropping our new heavyweight collection, where the entire collection is made from one single piece of fabric, a fabric that is so heavy, it is 480 GSM, heavier than any designer hoodie, any brand that you can think of. And the crazy part is that it's crazy. So it really feels like a blanket. So the sweatpants, the hoodies, the zip up hoodie, all get that nice bulky kind of drop shoulder silhouette that feels insane. This is our new Essentials heavyweight tee, by the way. Just like the heavyweight collection, this heavyweight tee is made with a 14-ounce tee. This is the thickness of about 3 to 4 t-shirts, which is perfect for fall and winter when this collection drops. And the cool part is that it's so thick that this is a shirt that's gonna last you, I don't even know how long, probably 5 years to 10 years if you take care of it, just because of how thick it is. See, the thicker the fabric is, the more expensive it is to produce, because obviously we're using more of it. Well, for this collection, we cut no corners, because I want you to have the world's best basics, my guy. And when you see I haven't shown anybody the color palette yet, but I'm gonna give you a sneak peek. See, this collection was inspired by Iceland. And we're going to go shoot this campaign in about a week or 2 weeks. And the crazy part is, just look at the colors here. You see those natural, beautiful colors? Yeah, the entire collection is coming from that color palette. 6 neutral colors that if you buy one of each, you can mix and match at will. These are timeless colors that, the next 2-3 years, you're gonna be wearing these sweatsuits and these pieces, and you're gonna be looking like a stud. My guy, I know it's early, but I want you to grab your phone. I want you to put a reminder, put it on your calendar, August 28th, 10 a.m. Eastern. Start saving up money today, because this collection is going to drop. It's going to sell out fast, and you don't want to miss it. Rule number 3, stop at the ankle. See, when you're getting your pants tailored, whether it's dress pants or jeans, one of the best fits to have is that nice straight cut. No break. It's not too short. It's not too long, but the pant sits perfectly on top of the shoe. Well, if you don't know exactly what length that is, when you go to your tailor, what you want to do is tell your tailor to stop right at your ankle. See, when you get your pants tailored right at your ankle, what happens is that you get that nice no break look. It's not short to the point that it looks like high waters, and then when you put on shoes, the pants basically float right on top of the shoe. So you get this perfect streamlined silhouette where the pants always look good on you. Number 4, when it comes to dress pants, don't use a belt. See, check out all my dress pants. I never use belts with my dress pants. See, belts are harsh. They kind of cut you in half and kind of disrupts the streamline of a beautiful suit, especially dress pants. If you want a classier, more elegant option, go for side tub adjusters. See, this is a move. It's a money move. It instantly levels you up better than everybody else, and it's almost like this posh feeling. Like, yes, my pants are better. See, when you have side tab adjusters, it's also more practical. You never have to be looking for a pant. And since you're not wearing that belt, it's not cutting your body in half, and you have that beautiful streamlined silhouette. The trousers always fit right, and you look good. Number 5, wear the same color shoes. Well, this is more of a suggestion more than a rule. You can break this rule. But if you want to look taller, leaner, better, you want to wear shoes that are in the same color family. In other words, if you wear light colored jeans, wear light colored shoes. It's going to make your leg look longer. If you wear dark colored jeans or dark colored trousers, wear dark colored shoes. Again, it just adds less interruptions. Visually, when you're dressing, you want to add as less interruptions as possible to make sure that the eye just follows naturally without any harsh breaks. Kind of like the belt that I was talking about previously. When you do that, it just makes you look longer and taller, and overall, you look better. And finally, number 6, never tuck your pants. This is probably one of the cringiest things I see people do, but don't tuck your pants into your boots. Don't tuck your pants into your sneakers. The best thing you can do with jeans is either stack them or let them fall over. These two look much more natural, and it doesn't look like you're trying as hard to show off the sneakers that you're wearing. And for whatever reason, it just gives me cringy 2005 vibes, and it's just as bad as wearing skinny jeans. So let's stop tucking our pants into our boots. And that's basically it for this week's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to drop us a like down below. And also, don't forget our Essentials launch, August 28th. You ain't gonna wanna miss that one. That's it from me today. See you next time.